All right, welcome into Market Day Report. I am Scott Shellady, otherwise known as the Cow Guy. It might be the jacket that gives that away, but let's take a look and see what our markets are doing, because we've had some up arrows here, like a lot of places in the other part of the world don't have a lot of up arrows. We're going to bring up a corn board and show you what we've got going on, but we're about, well, I guess 3 1/4 to 5 cents better across the board. 3.85 1/4 is last in SEP. That's up 3 1/4 cents on the day, and we're off the highs by about 1 3/4. The D's, the new crop, we've got a 402 print last. That's up 3.5 cents. 1 3/4 off the high. So we're above $4 by 2 cents. I think with what's going on around the rest of the world, we'll celebrate that board, won't we? Let's take a look at soybeans. We had some double-digit gains here, and we still do, but they're not quite as upfront as they were. SEP is up 9 1/4 cents to 10.18 1/4. It's about 4 3/4 cents off the high of the day, and we got a 16-cent range. The new crop is NOV. We're at 10.27 1/4. That's 4 3/4 cents off the high of the day. We got about, I'm going to call it a 17 1/4 cent range there. So that's beans. So I think corn and beans will take both of those boards. That was good. But here's a good turnaround too. Wheat's higher by about 4 cents, 4 1/4 cents higher in the SEP to 5.36 1/4. That's 3 3/4 cents off the high. Let's go out to the D's. That's up 4 cents there to 5.60 3/4. And again, that's about it's about 4 cents off the highs there. So that's what wheat's got for us. We're taking that's another up arrow. So we're in one of the few places that got some green on the screen here today. Let's go to the hard red in Kansas City. That's a September contract's up 4 cents to 5.58 1/2. So this is good. Let's go out to the March. That's up 3.5 cents to 5.88 3/4, and that's 3 cents off the high out there. And we've had about a 10-cent range, just over 10 1/2. So that's not bad. So these are healthy-ish, right? I'd like to see more than 3 or 4 cents, but we'll take it. This one's giving us a little bit more than that. This is spring wheat in Minneapolis, 6.5 cents higher, and that's SEP contract. 5.95 is last. And I'm going to call that 4 3/4 cents off the low of the day. That's not too bad. And we've got about a 14-cent range. March is up 7 1/4 cents to 6.33, 3 3/4 cents off the high. Let's get to cotton, and we'll get to our guest analyst. Cotton is up 51 points in that D's contract. 68.59 is last there. And let's move along to Mr. Joe Lardy. He's with CHS. He's up in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. I guess Friday is your work from home day, or is every day work from home with you? Are you one of those guys?
I wish, but no, Friday is a work from home day for us.
Okay, well, so it's basically you get handed a 3-day weekend.
Oh, come on now.
All right, yeah, okay. Well, I say work from home.
I do some work here. Come on.
Work from home in air quotes. Anyway,
yeah.
What do we got going on here? What are your thoughts here? You got about 60 seconds.
Well, it's nice to see the market finally turn green. It's comes on the heels of setting contract lows, several times this week in December corn. So I think this market really needs to fight to stay positive this week. We're coming into the WASDE very shortly, and kind of based on all predictions and forecasts and stuff, probably looking at a bearish report with corn yields going up and the potential for bean yields to go up. So the market needs to get some positive momentum, and I think we need to find something that's going to be a catalyst to get these funds to also cover their big short position. And if we can do that, maybe these markets can get a little bit of life beyond this negativity we've been languishing in for too long.
Yeah, I got this might happen. I mean, we've got some serious market action going around us here with the outside markets.
Yep.
And maybe it might spur on some short cover to take some profits and kind of plug some holes elsewhere. That might happen too. So I'm not saying that's going to be a 40-cent rally. It could be a dime, but it's not going to be 40 cents.
But at this point, anything would help, right? I mean, this is not a conducive environment for long-term health and success in the grain market. So we need to find something, get the fund to cover, get China to come in and buy.
Right.
Let's go.
All right, brother. Great to have you. Have a great weekend. Joe Lardy he's with CHS up in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. We're going to go away. We're going to pay some bills. We're going to come back and talk more livestock with me right after this.